Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start immediately by equipping a basic sickle or knife and opening the map to the lowland ruins spawn. Move there during morning in-game time. Nodes appear more frequently then, and you conserve travel time. Once arrived, prioritize the nearest cluster of 3 to 5 flax nodes and harvest them methodically, hitting each node once to trigger drops. Make sure to carry at least 5 empty inventory slots and 1 stamina consumable, so you don't get forced to abandon resources mid-run. Once you have the basics, optimize your route into a tight circle covering the densest nodes. This lets you predict respawn timing and maintain steady output. You should use movement speed boosts or a mount when available so you can loop faster, and intentionally avoid fights that damage tools or slow you down. If farming with others, adjust party loot to avoid conflicts and split runs into staggered arrival times. Do this for several loops until you reach the desired flax count, then head back to stash. You finish by depositing collected common flax into your stash or selling excess on the market for quick copper. Alternatively, convert it at a workbench into fiber for crafting. Once processed, track yields to adjust future runs. If your tools break, replace them immediately to avoid lost time. If flax nodes are missing, don't panic. Move a short distance to an alternate spawn or wait a full respawn cycle, and make sure the server time aligns with the morning window for higher node density.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.